The reasons I choose radiology as profession is major three. The first, because I like studying and continuous improving. So if you are a radiologist, you have to study all the time different pathologies, different specialties, like neuro, like abdominal, like bones. And another reason is because my father used to be a radiologist. So I see all the time he interpreting X-rays, studying X-rays, and in his time don't have ultrasound. Ultrasound is beginning in the process to become popular, become common. And I see that, and I like to continue his legacy. RSNA make a major role in my career. In 2016, I was selected by a group to become a part of the Irea program. And when I come here, I was delighted with the city, and most of the time delighted with the Congress. I not think the specialty is so big, and RSNA is so supportive, so strong. I very welcome with a few guys from Ethiopia, Macedonia, Mexico, and another guy from Brazil like me. And they put me in a classroom for 4 days long and say to me, it's important to pursue academic radiology, is important to be part of a society. And that was a shift in my career. After that, I started see the importance of the society, the power of one against the power of many. And we as society together, we can become very strong, and our voice can be heard along other specialties. I'm proud. I'm very proud of be part of the RSNA since 2016. When I come here with black hair, more light than I am today, and I'm very well received by Fiona Miller. That changed my life. I'm very touched about to remember that day.